Yo, what is up guys, Razor Affiliate here and welcome back to a new Skin Club session. Today we have $1,000 on the balance and in this video we'll do some case battles, we'll try to upgrade some of my skins and maybe we'll try with some case opening. So before I start with this session, if you are looking for the absolutely best promo code on Skin Club, free money and free cases, let's join under promo code Razor1. How to join? First things first, you need to do is create an account on Skin Club. For example, you can connect your Steam account. When did you create an account? You need to press on your profile picture at top right corner, click on promo code and enter promo code Razor1 in a promo code box. After that, press on activate. Also, you can join through link down below in the description or you can check first pinned comment. As you can see, with this promo code you can do free daily case opening. Just press on daily cases, scroll down and you can open up to 13 cases every 24 hours, which is really cool. I'll open my level 60 case right now. And I hope for Marble Fate Gut Knife, best pull from this case, $311. New event is active on Skin Club to the Moon event where you can earn space points, guys, and with these space points you will be able to buy some items. How to earn these points? For every $5 spent on case opening, case battles and upgrade, you can earn it, and you need to press on event points at top right corner and you can find a lot of items that you can buy for these points. Let's check it out, new event, guys. Okay, so let's get right into some case battles, guys. I will join this battle. $105 cost. 6 cases, demon step, first case. It's 3-way mode, so let's see, guys. Demon step cost only $5. Oh, imagine this gun. Imagine this skin, bro. Ooh, 21st $30 case and I got 605. Bro. Oh my god, guys, that's massive profit. That's tired. How much I won? That's the question. It will be $842 at start. We are $800 in profit. So let's join this battle. It's crazy mode. In this mode we need only cheap skins, only bullshit pulls. So let's see, who knows, maybe we can win this one. Today I have green mask and I drink green Red Bull, and as you can see on cases, guys, every case is green. So can we be lucky today? That's question. 100, not 100, $1.68. I have $1.77. Okay. Let's create. Let's create my own battle, guys. Let's do Doppler fight 1 case, stop battle 1 case, monster parade 5 cases, 450. Let's do like these, boys. Not a Hyuga bot. Give me 1 butterfly Doppler. Okay, that's bad start. Bad start for us. Let's see, monster parade. Something good, something huge. Nope. Okay. We need 1 good knife hit there. No, we lost, brother. Okay, let's do 1 knife battle and let's, I don't know, can we try with Glover 1 case, 220, and 1 Hanami case. It will cost $250 PvP normal mode, so let's see. Hinata again. Knife pool, Shadow Daggers for me, 99. Oh my god. Gimme glows, gimme glows, gimme glows. Okay, Hanami case for clutch. Fuck that shit, brother. Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Okay, $534 left. We can join this battle. Come on, please. Is it 2v2? Yeah, it is. Give me glows, give me glows, give me glows. Give me glows, please. No, 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 no. Why, man? Okay, 324 left. Nah, why you started with bots, man? I don't know. Okay, 7 Hanami cases and monster sprayed. Can we do like this? Up, up, 5-5. Can we do? Yep. Okay. 10 cases at least playing against a bot Richie, starting with Hanami cases. Bloodspurt, field tested. It's okay for me. $126. I don't give a fuck for where, but I'm in condition. But ooh, that's painful, man. That's fucking painful. Okay, monster sprayed. Be on my side, please. One knife over $400 or over 300. Hyper beast. Okay. Please. Clutch, brother. Please. 2 more cases left. Clutch, idiot. Clutch. Monster spray, please. No. Give me the butterfly, dude. $952 he won. Oh my god. Okay, let's clear my inventory a little bit and let's do huge battle for a huge profit, and that's it. Let's do royalty. 4 cases, 24s, 4 cases. Can we do more? Okay, like this. $615, 10 cases. 10 fucking cases, starting with royalty cases. 75 per case, which is a lot of money. And look at this, $6, $8. Bro, what the fuck is this, man? Give me something huge. Give me the karambit. Lure. Fuck you, fuck you. Ooh, nice. 481 stat track. That's Bayonet, not M9. No. That's not money back, I think. That's not fucking money back, bro. Or maybe. Let's see. Bro, what's the profit? 686, battle cost 615. Fuck. Okay, let's do upgrade, guys. Let's try all in 1.5x. I don't give a fuck, man. 686. Okay, freehand butterfly knife, $984, 62% chance, guys. We'll try like this. Left side, wish me luck. We need to risk it, and it looks too fast. Fuck you. Oh my god. So that's it, guys, for this session. Terrible session on upgrade today. I don't know. We lost like $1,200. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and most importantly, make sure to join on Skin Club under promo code Razor1 and open free daily cases, claim free CSGO skins, claim some free money, and claim 10% deposit bonus. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you tomorrow in a new video. Bye.